This time I delighted to present this lovely Maisonette. This one is located at ground floor and it's in Capaci. Capaci, it's a small village practically onto the sea, located between the airport of Palermo and the very Palermo. When we step into, we immediately have the kitchen living. In general, here we have 2 bedrooms, but in true there is the studio room that can be used like 3rd bedroom in case of need. Here the first official single bedroom. A small storage room. The bathroom with the water heater and the shower. And finally the 2nd bedroom with the natural light because of the window up there. Also there is a secondary access in this room by using the door behind the tent. It's very important that you know the quality of details about this Maisonette. It's practically ready to move in.